Good morning dear children. Welcome back to our channel Apni School. Dear students, today we are going to learn male and female. Look, listen and repeat after me. Okay, let's start.
अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और हाँ बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको बर वक्त मिलती रहे।
Boy, girl, man, woman, bull, cow, cock, hen, peacock, peahen, lion, lioness, dog, bitch, tiger, tigress, father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, nephew, niece, sir, madam, fox, vixen, uncle, auntie, horse, mare, husband, wife, king, queen, actor, actress, master, mistress, friend, friend, prince, princess, poet, poetess, host, hostess. Okay children, that's it for today. You practice these words. I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video.